Hello, my name is Jennifer Richardson and I'm an account manager for Primatek. Here at Primatek we develop, manufacture and sell a wide variety of powder coatings. Our factory is situated in Narva, Estonia, and recently we have opened some more offices around Europe, particularly in Finland and Poland. We take great care of our production processes and pay close attention to the many technical aspects of manufacturing. In our production, we use the latest technology and maintain immaculate cleanliness throughout. This helps to guarantee stable, high-quality results and eliminate any potential risk of contamination in the manufacturing process. The first stage of quality control happens when we receive the raw materials, which are only sent to production after screening. It's necessary to weigh these materials to ensure we reproduce the same recipes. The premix is incorporated together in a blender, ensuring consistency of colour. In the extruder, the dry ingredients melt, flow and form into a thick, hard film. As the powder exits the extruder, it's cooled with air in a conveyor system. Cooling and crushing the film produces a semi-finished powder product in chips. The chips are transferred to a grinder, ground into powder, and then sifted to ensure no large particles remain in the finished product. Then we package the finished product into branded boxes of 5 and 20 kilograms, following the storage procedures of GSB and Qualicoat. In our range, we also manufacture a series of metallic effect coatings named Bondalux, using a bonding process. During this process, the metal flake combines with the organic powder ingredients. This makes electrostatic application methods easier, ensures stable appearance and properties, and enables it to be more easily reclaimed than other metal flake powders. Painted samples are tested in our laboratory. One piece of our special testing equipment is the salt spray chamber. We place the samples inside where they undergo a simulated saltwater effect. A special salt mist module evenly sprays salt vapors, replicating the corrosive effects of extreme weather. When the procedure is complete, the coating is examined for signs of damage. And that's how Primatek powder coatings are manufactured. Our company values balance, professional and humane attitudes. For you, we produce a long-lasting, durable, environmentally friendly and technologically perfect product. Thanks for watching.